Navigating Customs, Technology and Imports. Welcome back to our video series on customs brokerage and international trade. In this episode, we will be focusing on the customs import procedures specifically related to technology and IT equipment. Importing these goods requires careful adherence to customs regulations to ensure a smooth and compliant process. Let's explore these customs import procedures in detail. Understanding customs classification for technology and IT equipment. When importing technology and IT equipment, it is crucial to accurately classify the goods using the Harmonized System (HS) code. Proper classification ensures that the correct customs duties and taxes are applied. Importers should consult customs authorities or professional customs brokers to determine the appropriate HS code for their specific goods. Researching customs regulations and requirements. Importers of technology and IT equipment should thoroughly research the customs regulations and requirements of the destination country. Each country has specific rules regarding the import of these goods, including restrictions, licensing requirements, and certifications. Compliance with these regulations is essential to avoid customs delays or penalties. Obtaining necessary permits and certifications. Certain technology and IT equipment may require permits or certifications before importation. Examples include certificates for electromagnetic compatibility, EMC, safety certifications, or network equipment conformity certifications. Importers should obtain these documents to demonstrate compliance with the applicable standards. Preparing accurate and complete documentation. Importers must prepare accurate and complete documentation when importing technology and IT equipment. This includes commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading or airway bills, and any required permits or certifications. The accuracy and completeness of these documents are crucial for customs clearance. Importer Security Filing, ISF. Compliance. Importer Security Filing, ISF, requirements apply to technology and IT equipment imports, just like any other goods. Importers should ensure timely and accurate submission of ISF filings, including providing detailed information about the imported goods, such as the manufacturer, shipper, consignee, and commodity description. Working with a knowledgeable customs broker. Given the complexity of importing technology and IT equipment, it is highly recommended to work with a knowledgeable customs broker. Customs brokers specializing in technology imports have expertise in navigating the specific customs requirements and can provide guidance throughout the process to ensure compliance. Customs duties and taxes. Importers should be aware of the customs duties and taxes applicable to technology and IT equipment. The rates may vary depending on the country of import and the classification of the goods. Proper assessment and payment of customs duties and taxes are vital to avoid customs delays and potential penalties. Dealing with restricted or controlled technology. Certain technology and IT equipment, such as cryptographic items or encryption software, may be subject to export control regulations or international trade agreements. Importers should be familiar with these restrictions and ensure compliance with the applicable regulations to avoid potential legal issues. Customs valuation of technology and IT equipment. Customs authorities determine the value of imported technology and IT equipment for the assessment of customs duties and taxes. Importers should understand the methods of customs valuation, which may include the transaction value method, and provide accurate and supporting documentation to determine the correct customs value. Compliance with intellectual property rights, IPR. Importers of technology and IT equipment should ensure compliance with intellectual property rights, IPR. This includes obtaining the necessary licenses and permissions for the importation and use of software, respecting copyrights, and avoiding counterfeit or pirated products. Post-importation compliance monitoring. Importers should establish procedures for post-importation compliance monitoring of technology and IT equipment. This includes regular self-audits to ensure ongoing compliance with customs regulations, as well as monitoring any updates or changes to customs requirements that may impact the imported goods. Handling customs examinations or inspections. Customs authorities may randomly select technology and IT equipment shipments for examinations or inspections. Importers should cooperate fully with customs officials, providing any requested documents or information promptly. Properly preparing for potential examinations or inspections reduces the risk of customs delays. Staying abreast of technological advancements and regulations. Technology and IT equipment are constantly evolving, as are customs regulations related to these imports. Importers should stay informed about technological advancements, industry trends, and any changes to customs requirements to ensure ongoing compliance and avoid any potential pitfalls. Reporting and compliance with environmental regulations. Certain technology and IT equipment may be subject to environmental regulations, such as those governing the disposal of electronic waste or hazardous materials. Importers should comply with these regulations, including obtaining necessary permits and ensuring proper recycling or disposal of equipment when required. Collaboration with technology manufacturers and suppliers. Collaboration with technology manufacturers and suppliers is essential to ensure compliance with customs import procedures. Importers should communicate their import requirements clearly, including any necessary documentation or certifications, and work closely with the manufacturers or suppliers to obtain the required information. Continuous education and training. Given the ever-changing nature of technology imports and customs regulations, importers should invest in continuous education and training for their employees. This includes staying updated on customs regulations, attending seminars or conferences, and ensuring employees have the necessary knowledge to comply with import procedures. Benefits of compliance. Compliance with customs import procedures for technology and IT equipment offers several benefits, including a smooth and efficient customs clearance process, avoidance of customs delays or penalties, protection of intellectual property rights, and enhanced reputation for ethical business practices. Navigating the customs import procedures for technology and IT equipment requires careful attention to detail, compliance with regulations, and collaboration with customs brokers and technology suppliers. By following these procedures, importers can ensure a smooth import process and maintain compliance with customs regulations. Thank you for watching today's video, and please stay tuned for more informative content on customs brokerage and international trade.